NVRs allow you to upgrade camera firmware through the web interface or the local monitor interface. Simply go into the setup menu under Camera and Register and click the Upgrade button. You'll see a list of your cameras. You can put a check mark next to any camera you do want to upgrade. Any camera that has an available firmware will be checked automatically. It'll show you the current version. And if your NVR has internet access, it'll show you the latest firmware version. If you want to manually update to a specific firmware that you've already downloaded, or if your NVR does not have internet access, you can click the magnifying glass button and browse to a folder location. If you want to upgrade using the online upgrade, you can simply hit the upgrade button and it will proceed with the update using the firmware that the NVR can. Download the list of firmware updates from the server, click the refresh button, and that will update the list that the recorder has of current firmware. You'll see a status message down here. You'll need to make sure that your NVR is properly connected to the internet for this function to work. If the NVR is connected to the internet and there's no firmware available, the cameras will not be checked and it will not show a version in the upgrade version. This process could take a few minutes, so give it at least 5 minutes to process. While the firmware update is in progress, you can actually close this window and you can come back later to see the status. When it's all done, you can come back to this upgrade screen and you'll see your status message. And then if we hit the search button again, you'll see that it pulls down the latest list of firmware updates and you'll see that you don't have any updates to perform anymore.